I decided to do an experiment this summer just to see what's going to grow and what's not. We've been having temperatures in the mid-90s already, so I have a pretty good idea of what's going to be happening. I've got this garden is my main test garden where I have squash, cloudberry, and then I've got some things I planted late in the year in the shaded area. And I also have in 2 different beds, I've planted some test varieties that I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to go into details on each test variety that I'm trying in the shaded area of the garden as well, what I'm trying over there. And I will be updating you on the results as the summer progresses. This squash is not doing very well. It's the second one where it rotted at the end, and it's just struggling. It has mildew. It is, however, rooting, so it might get a second chance. This is a butternut squash. It's a different variety. I haven't tried this one before. It's called orange. And then behind is that squash that I thought was dying. It's actually grown over this way and is producing here. And I did eat those that had the brown on the end. They tasted pretty good. They tasted just like zucchini. And this zucchini is still producing. The lettuce is doing good, but probably not for long. This is the one I thought was dying. This is one that has a huge squash over here. It's a new variety. It's called Tahitian melon. So we'll see how it tastes. And it's got another one here. I'm hoping they do survive. But I've noticed each one lately with this heat, they've been all yellow. So none of them have formed recently in this heat. This is the Seminole pumpkin. It does go quite crazy. I expect that in the end it'll probably take over the whole bed. But they are delicious. I've tried them before. Turnips planted late March. They just didn't work with this heat. The carrots look pretty good. The beets probably aren't going to make it. The corn does seem to be okay. I waited until the last week of March to plant this. And then the zucchini in the shade, it is just not working at all. But the plants are healthy, and we'll see how they do later on in the summer. This is a lemon squash, and I'm going to have to pull it. It just didn't make it through this 90-degree heat. I did plant this bronze lettuce here in the shade, hoping that maybe I could get lettuce just a little bit longer. This is part of that Seminole pumpkin squash that is way over there. So it does take over the garden if you ever decide to try it. It needs lots of space. This is a new tomato variety I'm trying. It's a hybrid of the Cherokee Purple called Carbon. And this is a different tomato that I haven't ever tried this one. It's just a cherry tomato. And this is the last variety that I'm trying. It is the purple Japanese sweet potato. Be sure to click on subscribe because I will be having updates, and I'm also going to show you what fruit varieties I'm going to be testing.